Part 2 of the previous reel. Here is how you get rid of mucus. Use this magical oil, apply on chest, throat and just a little bit on your nose. To make this oil, crush some garlic, add ajwain or carom seeds, methi seeds and mustard oil. Heat it till everything becomes a light golden brown in color. Now sieve this. The magical oil is ready. An acupressure point that can help you. Look for this point and press it firmly for about 2 minutes. Try this posture to drain the excess mucus. Take a big pillow or 2 small ones and lie down like this. Rest like this as long as you can and then get up gently. Wish you a speedy recovery.